Are your nipples sore, cracked, or hurting every time you breastfeed? You are not alone. Here are 5 easy ways to fix it and feed without pain. Hi, I'm Shinju, a lactation counselor and a mom just like you. Sore or cracked nipples are one of the most common struggles most new moms face. But pain during breastfeeding is a sign that something needs adjusting. The one cause is a shallow latch. When baby doesn't take enough of the breast into the mouth, the nipple gets pinched or rubbed, leading to pain, cracks, or even bleeding. Here's what can help. First is check the latch. Baby's mouth should be wide open, lips flanged out, and most of the areola inside the mouth, not just the nipple. Second is try different positions. Sometimes small changes like a laid back or a football hold can reduce the pressure on the nipple. Third one is air dry your nipples after feeding. Avoid covering them immediately with tight bras or pads. Fourth one is if the skin is already cracked, use expressed breast milk or lanolin nipple cream for healing. Fifth one is feed more often. Don't wait until baby is too hungry. That often leads to rushed latching and more pain. If the pain continues even after trying all this, you might need help because sometimes the issue is tongue tie, thrush, or incorrect latch technique. You can book a consultation with me on the number shown at the top. And if this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.